For day and the last 2 weeks, maybe more, my mind did so much connection between thing, people, idea, thing about life. I think practically no one can understand me and could find me weird or crazy. I think only INTJ could really understand me, and maybe INFJ, ENTP, ENFP. I question things most of people will never think about, and I find logic, connection, relation between certain things, which for me makes sense. I notice certain things, both real or abstract, function exactly the same, that they are the same idea, same concept, the same functioning. That most of life which are created and the things that we create are very representation, a mirror of what we are inside, of our cognitive function. And they are always the same pattern which reproduce. I don't know if I am too intelligent sometimes or too stupid. I don't know if I think too much or not enough. Does everything is really connected? Does I make connection between things which shouldn't be connected? For me, the world doesn't exist. It's just things we don't understand. What human to do to understand things is deconstruct and construct this thing to see inside deeply how this thing function, how everything is connected inside. If there are similarity, it can be connected and function, make sense, be coherent. If it's not connected, it doesn't work. What is understand? Understand is make connection. What make connection to understand? And I, introvert intuition, construct and deconstruct in the abstract in order to understand. I know practically no one will understand me and don't know what I am talking about, and maybe no one will believe me or understand me, I don't know. It happened too much in our life, the INTJ. Most of people underestimate us, don't believe in us, whereas for us, we are able to do and understand practically everything with an I as dominant function. We know and understand so much things that most of people will never know and understand in their life, because we connect everything, every information. More I make connection between things, more I understand human, living being, the world and the universe, and so much thing. Be INTJ, having NI as dominant function, is a blessing and also a curse. There is always two sides in everything. Certain people see us as very intelligent, but for us it's natural and normal. It's our default functioning. It's just because NI and TE. Because NI have access to the unconscious, have more easily access to the information, we easily and quickly make connection between information, and I connect the dot, two sides of the same thing. And now, just because my mind and my brain found this similarity between two things or idea and find it coherent and logic, I can't remove this connection, this idea, this same pattern which reproduce in very many things. I have many ideas or videos about personality, cognitive function, things in relation with life, energy, a lot of ideas written on paper and not on computer. I just need to organize better this idea, make all of this more clear to be understood by everyone, and to make not too long video to reduce the information and detail which repeat. It just take time because I want to do better, not share useless or fake information or wrong conclusion, always have doubt, always think I can do better, surely perfectionism, even if I know perfection only exists in our head. I need to put in the external world the idea I have in my head, knowledge, insight are meant to be shared. We learn and improve from each other. I have the impression more I figure out and understand things, more I am closer to the unconscious. Maybe the conscious and unconscious are closer, I don't know. I find it a little scary sometimes, this detachment, disconnection from the reality, where I see blurry for certain seconds, like a zoom out. I don't know how the other INFJ and INTJ experience it. I experience this detachment a little more often actually, and experience more often than before the connection, attraction, magnetism with people, children, elderly person often notice me, and certain person of personality type. Certainly I am any user, but not all. It surely depends of their preference, their objective personality maybe. If they prefer the second or third auxiliary function, and surely too, depending of their experience, their improvement, as if we were on the same wavelength, same energy, same world in abstract sense, connected with the mind. 1 or 2 weeks ago, I was on my balcony and a man with a blue t-shirt waved at me, the exact same blue as one of my favorite colors, whereas he was driving on his black car. I wondered if I knew him, but I think no, I have no friend. And the only person I know to act exactly like this is an INTJ I knew at temporary work last year. Exactly the same way to salute. I think strongly he is an INTJ. So take care of yourself and have a good day or evening.